Yes. So, well, I don't know, say One Nation and Imara Nation. My name is Negusimara. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so we can grow the family. You understand my daily? Up move. Yeah, man. So, we see Arjay drop a video, you understand? And titled, My Manager is Mad. You understand? The manager is mad. So, make we dive right into the video coming in and bag of chatting. You understand my daily? Up move.
Yeah, bro. So, as you know, I'm never there. See? I come back yesterday. Get a call from Rasmus. Say, some fuckery are going on. So,
Can't call it fuckery.
alright. More hear your
God
side, though.
damn, y'all niggas don't fix the phone before the cup of the blood clot for the mind blood. I'll be a fuck!
What kind of feelings? Him say you not chat.
I'm sorry.
I'm in the studio and I don't say none. Him say you are carry feelings.
You can't listen to art up on
Alright.
this side,
That's why I'm calling in here. Come on, hear what you are saying.
It's not no feelings thing, bro. Alright. First things first, it start off from since when she named the and shot the shutter video. The shutter video, whenever I two rate the video and thing and
Jesus Christ!
then I just want to listen to my YouTube channel. Come on, no man talk about me and tell me like man, them fuck
Right.
like that. So
When I be a wire and I blood clot.
after I ended the video, but they say it was a fuckery. It was fuckery. We give about 2 or 3 days to breeze off and man them do them thing and hear what is what. But just do them thing and what me some never can come back so I couldn't bother with the fuckery. So I give me another 2-day break, I come back up with some realize say Arthur,
Yeah.
not in talking with me. Chuck, not in talking with me.
Alright, so let me ask you something. Where the feelings are carried? Where you think them are carry feelings from?
No, the man said me I carry feelings over a girl.
Which girl?
And as Zoe, thinks that I carry feelings over Zoe because of the fucking prank. And now I give people the intention on social media say we are drop some over
the
woman.
prank. I've been hearing about this prank thing. What was the prank?
Alright, the prank is that basically she push up on Chuck. She push up.
Who
on-
she?
Zoe push up
Put
on
on
Chuck.
Chuck, yeah?
Yeah, if you catch my reaction, for
Yeah.
what I be. So, me did I be over dramatic. So I'm sorry, just squash. I have to squash the video. By the end of the day, I'm not get up until there's a delete the video. Because by the end of the day, it's our money shoddy with.
Right.
So I'm say, alright then. I go see if she'll have comments and take it down. Then she upload the video. By the end of the day, prank. It just be like when I'm normal prank them. But
Yeah.
it got to a next level now. I'm say, alright then, I'm gonna boast about it. Realize say song make it get off up. But he said song I wanna produce with the when drop. So comes me have to drop back in a lane. So I know people on social media think say this fuck
Right,
woman.
So
Hold on, before you start talk slave master, manager. RJ is yet again here explaining himself. When he is the victim, when nobody said nothing, Team RJ. As someone want to tell me nothing, Team RJ. You understand what I say? Yeah, man. RJ, come on my girls' class. I only heap of L me take with the girl. You understand what I say? So you see me at the best of me right now. You understand what I say? I was never a RJ, but we all can learn something valuable in life. We don't have to stop blaming the man. The man now have nothing to do with nothing now. We keep on blame the dog. Look how the man eye drop down in a hole. RJ face look like same as smoke weed for 10 days. I'm not eating nothing. The man face does. Look how the man, you understand what I said? The man just look mash up, dog. You understand? RJ look like the man that say, body good. Yeah, when that blood clot big old that big old man there, say, body good. RJ, yeah, body no good, brother. RJ look mash up my tree. Come continue.
how Arthur get involved?
After getting involved now.
The man throw the man like rock doll.
Basically after coming in a different Chuck.
Yeah.
Zane, so when time Chuck and make him hear the full 100 that it was just a joke and think as Arthur did a different Chuck.
Yeah.
Right.
So him get the full 100 now and him realize that I gone. I second to decide to jump on Chuck's side now. So
Yeah.
him and Chuck basically have it out for me because every time I come up to the studio I realize I'm not saying nothing.
Straight up.
Give a glimpse. But even there I say I come up here for record my song. But I say alright then since the man is and a man still there and fuck him. So alright, then just drop a song for clear the ear.
Yeah.
I say yo feel cause all I want them have it say me I carry feelings over girl. That's why I'm actually make inner my lane for set things straight. So yo, me not inner no feelings but no girl.
Yeah.
In my zone and a man can't try to style me. I saw the song basically that's
Straight.
about
Yeah.
Nothing wrong with that. You have to defend yourself.
Facts.
So then I see him drop back theme song now. So apparently this Thursday now on Clash.
Okay.
Yeah.
So he man drop theme song.
Which is good for business. That clash are good for business.
He do a song, it's supposed to drop in a night, yeah. It's supposed to drop in a night, yeah. And I'm not planning to do no more song after. I'm not planning to do no more song but me not address no man now. But cause me not address no man, you know. Me just clear the ear.
Straight up. Talk the truth, RJ.
Question now, who addressed Zoe now? Cause Zoe start the prank.
Yeah.
She started the prank. Nobody now bash Zoe about the prank.
Pause that real quick. At that more I know. Who is addressing she? Because as she start the prank, you understand what I say? As she are the reason why the dog feelings get out of whack and the dog. Yo, when I see the dog I rush chuck me, I say, the man look like a bull with come like a red, the dog see the dog come like a bull with see red. I see the dog like the dog and thump off chuck face. I see attitude face and grab him and face and pussy come back. Go over here, sir. I see blood clot RJ face and bust a windmill. I say, look on man I did RJ like fed up. I said RJ. Me I say 876 when the man them push RJ. Me I say RJ are really feeble man. I say attitude take up RJ and stay so come here and go over here. So I say RJ stay so. When I stop blame RJ and talk to Tavis work. Attitude and RJ I get blame. Oh Chuck and Zoe now get no blame. I want to go on there so. Anyway, can we continue?
As no man never say
but she planted the seed.
Yeah.
She planted the seed. Now she basically just grow her fruits them about the place.
Right.
Facts.
So
and left Uno for pick up whatever drop off.
Exactly.
No, she in the mix up fucker too, you know, cause me stop you with China hard to complete and me stop you there hard to complete.
Yes.
So come on, but I'm charge you and talk about one talk and one do this and one.
Right, she bright. You should have run her blood clot.
Me see her run up and down with Chuck.
Hey.
Then you see them must say what? You see like she go get the dog and some sorry then. I'm just leave it at that because I don't want to say fuck her going there. I'm gonna try me connect that type of way, but I'm not depend.
So
yeah.
How we are gonna move forward now then? Cause you say you not depend nothing. I just talked to Arthur a while ago. Arthur said him not depend nothing.
Yeah.
Arthur not depend nothing, so I'm still at the video.
So that's why I'm calling in here, bro.
No.
So why never ask him why I'm still at the video about the situation? And if him say I'm not depend nothing, why you
you still at the video?
Why not?
No. Never say nothing to me.
Me not address no man, me not address him none at all, you know. You see?
Right.
Anything at all on my post, if me not talk about Chuck, me not talk about Zoe. So I don't know how him get up and say him do video about me specifically, but RJ are praying for this, RJ are praying for that. But him basically start the fucker. Him a boss of the media head, but RJ do this, RJ do that, RJ go on so RJ write song for him, RJ not deal him, RJ tough up him face. He went out got the party where they and the man them there way over there so because the whole get booked for a party in a Clarendon you and music, the whole get booked for it.
The old God thing.
Yeah. So I got the party. I never seen nothing to no man because by the end of the day I'm not gonna try yell man and man drive a month to try and come in and come
Yeah.
We're not good. So what the rest happening in a week? I gone a week and 3 days. I left when every man good, everybody good, and I come back now. I know when I'm supposed to go to the show. I know I come back, I know every man will hold them can, but it have to squash, you know. Even if me.
Yeah, go pause that right there, so White Bobby attack, you see me? RJ, slave master, manager, he must say, yo, when him left, the whole camp in a toss up. Everybody, a madness a go on, you see me? Because RJ, Chuck Star, Ali J, Tavizoe, Attitude, they were on the same team. And it's so crazy that Attitude manager, Fee manager, RJ manager, the same manager, White Bobby, slave master, yeah, I can continue. So basically them are going at the party right now. RJ got talk about the party scene right now. So I gotta do that in a part 2. You understand my daily up move? I don't know say one nation and Imara nation. I know what to think in the comment. And make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, rate, notification bell so we can grow the family. You understand my daily up move?